Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. So today I thought we would do anonymous jewellery. It's a monthly subscription. The cheapest one that I could see is £16 a month and you get 3 pieces of jewellery. The one that I have is 4 pieces of jewellery and that costs £18 a month. There is no contract, you're not obligated to have this monthly, you just kind of pay your money, order your stuff and it gets delivered. What else do you need to know? They do ask that you fill out a small profile. Keeping in mind, if you don't have pierced ears, then make sure you say that if you don't want earrings. And it might be worth mentioning your ring size. So if they send your rings out, they know what size to send out. I do have a discount code which you can use and that will get you 10% off your first order. There is no P&P on this subscription box, so I think it's really good. So £18, 4 pieces of jewellery. Not bad. Okay, so let me just show you what I've got in my little box. So it comes in this box, small enough to fit through your letterbox so you don't have to be home, you don't have to sign for it. And inside, some paperwork. We have a leaflet of, this is how to take care of your jewellery, so obviously you get some length of time out of it. And this just gives you information on how to wear your pieces of jewellery. So here is my jewellery selection here. This time you can request what tone of jewellery you like, be it silver or gold. This time I asked for a mixture of silver and gold. I do like both, so we'll have a look and see what we've got. So the first item we have is a very cute, sparkly pineapple necklace, or is that a bracelet? I can never tell. Well, let's have a look. I don't know if you can see that. Let's take it out of the packaging. This is a silver one. I love these. I do love this subscription box, and this will be one that I will be inclined to keep. This is in fact a bracelet. It's pretty. I like the detailing on this, is like amazing. Look at that, guys. Can you see? Oh, for a minute I actually thought it was a turtle. It's not, it is a pineapple. Okay, so now that's a little bit disappointing because it's actually hollow on the inside. However, I love the way this does up. It's got like 2 pieces here with a ball in the middle, and you would kind of pull that down to adjust the size and pull this one up. Does that make sense? Pull it down, and then to open it you just pull the ball down. I really like that. It's a really cool idea. So liking that. It's a pretty little piece of jewellery. It sparkles and the chain looks like it's on what they call a box chain, and they're the ones that like pinch your little hairs. Right, next item we have, I think this looks like a layered necklace, and it looks like a rose gold. So let's take that out and have a look. So sparkly. This jewellery is just like, has such a sparkly appearance about it. Again, I am loving this. I will wear this. It's so pretty.
Why can't I wear this? So
it's a layered necklace, as I've said. You have to excuse Littlin. He wasn't well today to go to nursery. He's got a bit of a cold, so I thought I'd take the opportunity to try and do some videos. So that's a lovely piece that I see myself wearing. We then have a pair of beautiful earrings. Again, this is in the rose gold, and I'm assuming these actually look like they match that necklace. Let's have a look. Oh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Love these. Look at these. So they've got like a, I think these are cubic zirconias. Drop here. It doesn't move. And there's a little tiny detailing of one up here. I don't know if you can actually see that. I will try and figure out how on earth. Oh, that's easy enough. So it's on a hinged opening to open, and you just snap it shut. Shall I shove it in my ear and see? That's it. Pop it in. Oh, I love them. How pretty. These are definitely worth the money. Pop that one in. See, I like subscription boxes where I get to try stuff on straight away, like the makeup and stuff. It's quite difficult because I'm no beauty guru, so that's that. Nice, I like them. And the stone is the same as on the necklace. So these are gonna like matchy match like that. And then we have another bracelet. That's pretty, I like that. Let's get it out. It's got that same piece here where you pull it, which undoes it. I like that. So not complicated. And just adds to a bit of detailing. I love this. I don't know if you can see how sparkly it is. This does have jewels in it. Again, this is on what they call a box chain. Very pretty. The necklaces seem to be more on a curb chain. Well, that's it. That's my 4 pieces, my lovelies. Really enjoyed that. I do love this subscription box. I will definitely keep this going. I would like to get a ring maybe next time. Well, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of Anonymous Jewellery. I will put the discount code somewhere, either in the description or on my comment box for you guys. If you want to go ahead and order yourself this, you will get 10% off. Okay, so thank you for watching. Don't forget, do all that good stuff. Subscribe to my channel, hit your notification bell, give me a comment on which item you thought was best, and like. Have a good day. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now.